Time is valuable. It's a form of currency. It flows like a river, and when misused, precious resources slip away. Treat time as your chronological treasure. Use it wisely, and you elevate your entire life. Time isn't just something we spend. It is something we invest. It's currency, current, and gold all at once. When time is misused, life's resources drain away unnoticed. But when we maximize our time, we multiply our impact. Every minute has value. Every choice has weight. Every day is an opportunity. Respect your time, and it will reward you. Maximize your time. Maximize your life.